What's up guys? Welcome back to John and Drinks. For today guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng gin basil smash. Napakadali niya lang gawin guys. 3 ingredients at yung mga ingredients is pwede nyo siyang bilhin sa kahit anong grocery store or sa mga palengke, mabibili nyo na to guys. First is baso guys. So for baso, kahit anong klaseng baso, pwede nyo namang gamitin dito guys. So for today, gagamitin ko sa cocktail na to guys is rock glass. Put some ice to chill the glass. So itong cocktail na to guys is shaken, so kakailangan natin ng shaker. The first is sugar syrup guys. For sugar syrup, lalagyan natin ng 15 ml or half ounce. Basil leaf guys. So for basil, kahit anong basil pwede nyo naman gamitin dito guys. Merong tayong sweet basil, sweet and spicy basil. Pero usually guys, ang ginagamit ko dito yung sweet and spicy. Kasi ito ang sikat na basil dito sa Thailand. Lagay natin is around 7 to 10 leaves guys. Pero depende sa inyo guys kung gaano karami gusto nyong basil ilagay nyo. And have a quick clap or press para lumabas yung aroma nya. And next is lime juice guys. Lime or lemon. Lagyan natin is 1 ounce or 30 ml guys. Last of course is alcohol. Ang gagamitin kong alcohol dito guys is gin. So itong gin na to guys is from Thailand. Sa atin guys, marami namang murang gin lang. Pwede naman kayo gumamit lang ng gin bilog o yung 4 cantos. O check nyo na lang guys kung ano yung mga available gin sa atin. Pero kahit anong gin pwede nyo gamitin dito. Lagay ko dito guys is around 2 ounce or 60 ml. Some ice and shake our cocktail guys. Tip guys, pag gantong cocktail shaker gamit nyo, unahin nyo muna yung mid part bago yung takip para di kayo mahirapang buksan. Shake natin guys for around 8 to 10 seconds. And double strain natin guys kung may double strainer ka sa bahay. And for garnish guys, is lagyan natin ng basil leaves. Guys. There you go guys. Gin basil smash. Tikman natin. Parang sinusuntok. Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video guys. Cheers!